Hi everyone! Today we are making sauteed kabocha with butter and soy sauce. Ingredients are quite simple. Kabocha squash is in season in fall to winter. Hope you can find it at your local market. First, remove the seeds and fibers from the center of kabocha. Then cut in half and carefully slice into quarter-inch thick pieces. Kabocha is quite hard, especially its skin, so cut it very carefully. Heat a frying pan at medium-low heat and melt the butter. Put the kabocha slices and spread to a single layer in the pan. Cook 2 to 3 minutes on the side, turn over, and cook another 2 minutes. Turn off the heat, add sugar, mirin, and soy sauce. And coat the kabocha pieces with the seasonings well. Sprinkle some ground black pepper at the end. Sweet and savory, sauteed kabocha is simply delicious. Hope you find kabocha and give this a try.
美味しいね。